We did a multi-part video series with lots of tests on the Neato Botvac connected D7, and this video will review and sum up all of those results. Links in the description to the Neato D7 on Amazon, and let's get started. We started with various pickup tests to see if there was any type or size of debris that the Neato would have trouble with. We were very happy with its pickup ability on hard floors and carpet, and I think it's the best results I've seen so far with debris pickup. It cleaned edges very well with its front-mounted brush and D-shaped design, and it had very good suction power and airflow. We tested the airflow with an anemometer, and it had 13.6 more airflow than the Roomba 980 on high power and 36% more on low power. So you can run the D7 on low power and have almost as much airflow than the Roomba on high power, which is pretty great. As far as navigation and obstacle avoidance, the Neato D7 uses invisible lasers at ground level to map out a level of your house and develop a map. We found it to be nearly flawless in the way that it navigates. I also liked how it accurately circles the perimeter before starting to clean the middle. The Neato D7 has a slightly larger wheel clearance than many robot vacuums, which makes it very good at not disturbing throw rugs. It also makes it very good at clearing higher door thresholds. In our test, it was able to climb the 3/4 inch board fairly easily. One aspect of its obstacle avoidance blew us away, a feature only available on the Neato D7 called Floor Planner with No-Go lines. This is where you can use the app to draw multiple lines to prevent the robot from going certain places. But because the no-go lines are basically unlimited barriers, and because it seems so accurate, it makes scheduling cleanings when you're not at the house so much more effective, because you can create an entirely safe route so you'll never come home to a stuck robot that didn't finish its cleaning job. The bin size was very big, larger than most robot vacuums at about 2.5 cups. 3/4 of a cup bigger than the Roomba 980. This is an important stat because if you're scheduling cleanings when you're not at home, the robot will only clean until its bin is full, so you'll get a lot more out of the Neato D7. Neato claims that the D7 can get up to 120 minutes of battery life on Eco mode. I couldn't duplicate those results because the testing area I was using was too small, and I had to restart it an average of 5 times per run, which drains the battery a lot. So I got 107 minutes on Eco and 74 minutes on high power, but I'm sure it would have been much better if I had run it continuously. The Neato D7 was quieter than the Roomba 980 on both turbo and eco mode. It has a house cleaning mode, a spot mode which cleans a 13 by 13 foot square area, and also has a cool manual mode where it can be used as kind of a remote control vehicle with the app. The Neato D7 is the best robot vacuum we've tested, and it might be the best robot vacuum period based on what I've seen out there. I think the no-go lines, which are only available on the D7, are a serious game changer, which if used properly will make your experience so much better than with any other vacuum on the market. Links in the description, and consider a like if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching.